Hi, everyone. Let us solve this question. First of all, read the question once, twice, thrice. Draw a ray diagram to represent the nature, position, and relative size of the image formed by a convex lens for the object placed at 2f, second between f and o. Okay. So nature of image like very easy, like you just tell me. If you solve also like you can easily tell while looking this ray diagram. And I think like you all can draw this ray diagram. When object is placed at 2f, what is the nature? Real, inverted, inverted, same size of it. Images, same size of object. Nature of image, same size as object. In this case, magnification comes out to be negative, minus. You can check. It is clear also like this is HI, HO. Okay. And HI is equal to HO. Okay. Now look at this. When object is placed between O and F, optical center and focus. This is our object size, HO. This is image size. So you can that HI is more than HO. HI is positive. HO is positive. So magnification is positive, but it is greater than 1. So your image nature will be, just write down the nature of image. Real, not real, I think. It is virtual, virtual, erect, and it is magnified. Okay, magnified. So that it is the answer. See, magnified means size of image is more than size of object. It is not that much very very high. Okay, m is greater than 1, simply it is enlarged. Okay, clear? But if it m is much greater than 1, it means that highly magnified, very very high, highly magnified image. Clear? So I think this is clear. Thank you.